Hi guys, welcome. So we're going to do a oil change and oil filter change on a Suzuki Burgman. This is a 2019 model. Obviously you can see I've got the correct oil there, which is the fully synthetic 10 watt 44T, and obviously the oil filter. So tools for the job. Got a 17mm spanner, and I've got a pot at the ready to catch the oil. Okay, you can now see the bolt, 17mm bolt just underneath, just there. So we're going to loosen that off and allow the oil to drain into the tub. So changing the oil filter on your Suzuki Burgman, I tend to do this while the oil is still dripping out underneath. You can see your cap. Got 3 Allen key bolts on that. They're 5mm Allen keys, so I'm going to undo them and take out the oil filter.
Make sure oil seal is in place before securing the oil cap. Before filling with oil, make sure your oil sump bolt is secure to the correct torques. I think it's 20 torques before putting the oil in.
So just to recap, for when you're servicing your Suzuki Burgman, all you need is a 17mm spanner, 5mm Allen key wrench, or some gloves just to protect your hands, and obviously a funnel. I ended up using 1.3 litres of oil for the change, so gives me some left for the next time. Also use a black bag and just cut out a water carton to obviously drain all the oil into. So thanks for watching, I hope this helps.